Namaste. In this video, we are going to differentiate this problem here given y is equal to 10x degree plus 45 degree. Before differentiating, we have to this degree convert into radian. So y is equal to 10 here x plus 45 multiply pi by 180, and this one we can write in one parenthesis. Now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx, this 10 x plus 45 multiply pi by 180. We know that when we differentiate 10 this function, so we get sec square. So sec square here, this is x plus 45 multiply pi by 180, and using here chain rule and differentiate this parenthesis part. So x plus 45 here multiply pi by 180, sec square, this is x plus 45 here parenthesis multiply pi by 180, and when we differentiate this we get, here we can write multiply and this. So x multiply pi by 180 we get this is 1, so just pi by 180, and this multiply with this, so this is constant, and when we differentiate we get 0. So our final answer is pi by 180 sec square, and this is in radian form, so we can convert into degree form. So x degree plus 45 degree, because our question was in degree. Okay, and this is our final answer. So here main step is, if you have your theta value in degree, you have to convert into radian form and then differentiate. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.